Hi, I'm Mrs. Kerwin.
I'm Mrs. Olander. We're here at the Sci-fair, and to give you a little history on the Sci-fair, the program was started to get students interested in math, science, and technology so that they could see that there's other possibilities out there. The software of the program goes through Cornell University. It's a wonderful program, and it started last summer of 2008. This is now spring 2009, and this is our second program.
Active Worlds basically is a program that is designed to be a virtual world, similar to the way the games that the children are playing on the computers and in the game stations. They have the graphics that are available to them. Instead of having the game set up already where they could go in and play, they are actually designing the game. The program is being designed by them every step of the way. What we do is we take current 6th, 7th, and 8th graders and have them come into the virtual world. We give them the building foundations on how to work through the program. We give them a general idea of the end result that we'd like to have for the program, and then give the kids the time and avenues to not only create their virtual world based on the end result, but they also have to go in and provide the research, and they learn without realizing that they're learning.
Our Sci-fair program is based on a software program called Active Worlds. Basically, Active Worlds allows us to, on a two-dimensional computer screen, emulate a 3D virtual space. And this gives the students an opportunity, with the way we've done this, to actually build and create within that space models of physical objects, so that they really perceive themselves as in a 3D virtual environment. At the end of each session, we celebrate with a showcase event where the students gather from all of the districts in one location and have an opportunity to show their parents and grandparents and family members what they've been working on for anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks out of the summer or school year. One of the districts that's really fun to see their involvement in Sci-fair is Addison. CJ Olander and Robin Kerwin do a fantastic job of working with their students locally, as well as the Corning Community College mentors, to create some really interesting worlds in 3D space. I know that they've done some really exciting work with planetariums and with greenhouses, and it's just really interesting to see how they've taken that on themselves and used the after-school program as a way to enhance what they're doing in their curriculum.
When you walk into the greenhouse, we have our info hut, and we have like a cabin thing where there's computers and stuff and a button you can push to get on a website telling about greenhouses.
And in the astronomy lab, we actually have 2 info huts and a ton of other information on levels above the ground level and on the ground level. And my information kiosk just has stuff about things to do with space gases, and I do have a picture of Neil Armstrong, the first man to ever land on the moon. And we got to actually do homesteading and build our own homes and put whatever we want on it, and I made mine look like a castle. It's pretty cool.
I'm pretty impressed, and as a parent, we're not really sure exactly what went into this, and coming here today, we were totally impressed about everything that we've saw, what really goes into this. All we know is that we signed the permission slip, and we knew that there was a virtual reality going on through Cornell, and there was a mentor, but that's basically what you get. All we knew is that Chris had a ball going to Sci-Fi every week since February. Coming here, it's amazing to see what he's actually done and what actually goes into it, and we feel very, very, very honored that we have these opportunities for our children here.